Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this particular video I'm going to show how you can actually scan your Dstv Explora Decoder if you are living in Ethiopia. Alright, so whenever you search on your decoder for the first time, this will be the first page on it if you have not scanned the decoder. Alright, so all you got to do is to select your preferred language. You have English and Portuguese, so with this tutorial we're going to go in with English, so you press OK on it. And when you come here, we have the satellite page right here, so you need to select the right satellite in your zone. Since you are living in Ethiopia, you have to select the E36B. This is our satellite, and you press OK to proceed. And when you come to this page, come down to the second option, that's the manual setup, and you press OK on it. And here you have the LMB type. So with LMB type, since you need to install the Explora Decoder with a unique cable LMB, you have to select the unique cable TM/SAT-CR. You don't have to change it. And the user band figures have to be the same. They have to be the default figures, so you don't have to change anything right here. And after that, you need to check on the right side of the page. We have the signal strength and the signal quality showing there. There have to be an indicator actually signal that there is a signal coming from your satellite dish or the signal cable. If nothing shows, you reach this level and nothing shows, it's actually indicating that there is no signal coming from your satellite dish. So you need to check the satellite dish to get the stable signal from it. So you come down to the scan option, you highlight it, and you press OK on it to actually proceed. So after tapping on the scan option and it's unable to scan, you have to know that the signal that you are getting from the satellite dish is not enough to actually scan the decoder. Alright, so you need to check to adjust and then get enough of it before you can proceed with it. After scanning, if it happens to be that it's a new decoder with no activation, all you got to do is to call the Dstv office. You provide them with your details and the details of your decoder. That's the IUC number or the smart card number, and they're going to do the necessary activation right there for you. So if today is the first time being on this channel, all you got to do is subscribe and you hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.